Hello kitchen queens and kings, welcome to my channel Gina in the kitchen. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let's quickly move on to today's recipe. Today we are making my favorite Dora cakes, which is a quick, easy and simple recipe, and for that we are using Oreo biscuits. So here I have taken 2 large Oreo biscuit packets. These are 30 rupees packs, so in total they are 240 grams of biscuits. Now let's start with the recipe. So first of all we need to separate the cream from the biscuits, for which you can take help of a knife. It's not mandatory for us to use Oreo biscuits here. Instead we can use any other cream biscuits like Bourbon or anything similar. So here we have separated the cream and the biscuits. We'll use this cream as a stuffing or filling of our Dora cakes. We'll keep it aside for now. First let's prepare our batter with biscuits. For that we'll take a mixer grinder jar and put all the biscuits inside it, and we'll make fine powder out of them. And here, as you can see, fine biscuit powder is ready. Now we'll add milk. So here I am adding 250 ml of milk in it. If you are using measuring cup, you can take 1 full cup of milk, and in grinder jar only we'll make a smooth batter out of it. And here we have a smooth batter of biscuits and milk. Now let's pour this into a bowl. And we need this kind of flowing consistency of batter. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder in it, which is completely optional. Even without adding baking powder, you can make good Dora cakes, as biscuits already has baking powder in them. But definitely if you add the baking powder, the cakes will be much softer, lighter and fluffier. I gave batter a good mix, and now it's ready to make pancakes. Here I have kept non-stick pan on gas on low to medium flame. Pour 1 spoon of oil on it and spread the oil with the help of tissue paper like this, so that paper can absorb the extra oil. Pan is slightly hot. Now with the help of any cup or a ball, put the batter in the center of pan. As batter is not that very thick, it will take a round shape by itself. After pouring the batter, shake the pan a little bit so the batter spreads more evenly. And after cooking it for approximately 1 minute on low to medium flame, we'll flip it over and cook its another side for 30 to 40 seconds. And now you can see our pancake is well set and cooked from both of the sides. Let's take it off on a plate. And likewise we'll make more pancakes with our batter. All the pancakes are ready, and you can see these are very spongy, soft and thin. In short, they are perfect for making Dora cakes. Now let's make stuffing or filling for them with biscuit cream. Here in cream we are adding 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of fresh malai or cream. If you don't have malai or cream, you can add 1 tablespoon milk in it. And now give it a good mix for continuously 3 to 4 minutes with the help of a whisk or a fork. And after whisking it for 3 to 4 minutes, our cream is ready. It has become really light, just like whipped cream. You can see the soft peaks which are not falling down. Cream is ready, pancakes are ready. Let's move on to the final step of our recipe. We'll take a pancake and spread 1 full tablespoon of cream on it. Cover it with another pancake. Press it gently. Because of cream, they'll stick with each other. Our 1 Dora cake is ready, and we'll repeat the same steps with remaining pancakes. And our perfect Dora cakes are ready to eat, and you can see they're really soft and spongy. Try them at your home and tell me in the comment section how delicious did you find them. And for more such easy, tasty and quick recipes, subscribe to my channel Gina in the kitchen and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye bye for now. We'll catch up tomorrow with a new recipe.